Okay, yes, coming back to the thing, basically I progressed in the video, but it did not get recorded, so I'll have to redo some stuff for the same. So, coming back, how to create the project, what we are going to do, we are going to create a new project after clicking over the project button. So, we are going to do this. Okay, coming to this window, what we need to do, we need to first select the series of the microcontroller. So our series is RL78. Afterwards you need to select the microcontroller name. Okay, so I basically have selected a microcontroller from G14 series. As you can see, it is over here, RL78 G14 with a flash size of 256 KB, and it's a 100 pin device. So its precise name is R5F10PJ. I recommend you to use the same if you are learning it for the first time, because in programming features you will get some additional benefits of software simulator with this microcontroller. You may not get it with other microcontrollers, because people have been asking me the same question, this question in my comment section also, that they were not able to find the software simulator for their microcontroller. So for this MCU, software simulator is available, hence select this if you're doing it for the first time. Okay, once you have selected this microcontroller R5F104PJ, then we'll keep the project to be same, application CCRL. Okay, then we are going to type the name of the project that we wish to put. So what we can say, it's like RL78 timer delay 2, because the first I have already created, so I'll have to name something else. Okay, over here you can select where you wish your project to be created, so select it wisely. Okay, yeah, then we'll click on the create button. Right, once this project has been created, so you'll get something like this. So what we need to do, if you have seen my other videos, my previous series basically, so many of the things will be very much similar, but for the sake that if someone is starting from this video itself, so I am repeating some steps. Okay, so first you need to close the watchdog. Okay, prior to watchdog timer, you'll have to click this button, fix setting. To understand this, you can go back to my previous video series. Okay, that was the basic one. So use the fix setting first. First thing you need to do, just open up the watchdog timer. You'll have to double click over here to go to any selected window. Okay, so double click here, and this window is going to come up. You have to unuse it. Okay, now if you'll see, this box will be closed. The box that are the peripherals that you are using, only those peripheral, these boxes will be opened up. Rest all the boxes will remain closed. Okay, so yeah, coming over here on clock generator, we have already selected the fixed setting. Okay, then let this remain same as it is. I have explained this in my previous series, so you better watch those if you have not, and you'll get all the explanation. So we'll not change anything over here, just let it remain the way it is. Okay, so I'm repeating this thing, basically how the clocks of RL78 microcontroller works, behaves. We'll have to go through a complete chapter which I have already done in my previous series, so it is better you go and see those. See, I'm not trying to promote those video series session, but the thing is, I don't want to repeat the time that I've already recorded earlier. So it will be better if you are not aware how the microcontroller clock structure is. So it's better you watch those videos first, and then you come to this microcontroller, like this series on timers. Okay, so we'll skip this tab, and the next tab is this thing. So afterwards, on the on chip debug setting, select use. Again, the explanation is in my previous videos. I'm just like sorry, nothing else needs to be changed. Then I will be using um, this pin of port 6, and number of the pin is 3. So I am basically using it as output, and the initial value will be 1. Okay.